So, hello everyone. So, ngayon magla-live withdrawal tayo sa Lazada. So, as you can see, meron akong 117,000 na yellow coins at 13,000 K na green money. So, ngayon, i-withdraw natin yung ang yellow coins. So, yung 117,000 equivalent to 117 pesos lang. So, yan. Merong dalawang withdrawal method dito which is GCash or Lazada. So, magwi-withdraw tayo gamit ang Lazada. So, withdraw all. Pinutin natin withdraw all. Ayan, itype lang natin yung number natin. Withdraw. Yan, successfully withdraw yung ating withdraw. So, papasok yan sa Lazada. Happy to accept. Yan. At, eto na, withdrawing. So, nakikita nyo naman withdraw success yung iba. So, talagang legit talaga siya.